Hey guys, my name is Rahul and welcome back to another Python video. Today we're going to be talking about precedence operators, comparison operators, and logical operators. So let's start with precedence operators. I'm going to make a variable called x and assign its value as an equation. For example, 2 plus 10 times 6. I'm going to give you a second to figure out what this equation might be. Okay, if you said the equation was 72, you're wrong, because the equation's actual value is 62. See? Because because just like in math, in code, the uh, the operators, the time symbol, the addition symbol, the division symbol, the subtraction symbol, and the symbol that states to the power of have an order. For example, the to the power of symbol comes. It happens before all the other symbols except for the parentheses. Then the multiplication and division symbol are executed. Then the addition and subtraction symbols are executed. You can change the order uh, that the symbols are executed by adding parentheses. If you put 2 plus 10 inside the parentheses and times 6 on the outside, the answer to this equation will be 72, since since 2 plus 10 are inside the parentheses, it's telling the program that, okay, you need to add 2 and 10 together first before multiplying it by 6. So x, that equals 72. Next, comparison operators. Comparison operators will basically compare numbers and check if the comparison is true or false. So comparison operators create Boolean equations. For example, 5 is greater than 2. Since 5 is a number that's larger than 2, and this is the greater than symbol, the equation is true. There are other Boolean symbols, such as if I use 5 is less than 2, answer will be false. Now, the other comparison symbols or operators are the greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, or the equal to. Don't confuse the equal to symbol with the single with this symbol. They're not quite the same things. And then there's the not equal to, which is an exclamation mark. Then the equal to side. If I do b equals 5, which is not equal to 2, well, it's true because 5 and 2 are different numbers. Next, we're going to be talking about logical operators. Logical operators, well, if I use c equals 25, print c is less than 10, let's use 50, and c is greater than 5. These state the the parameters that c must have. So if the parameters are true, then the output is true. To make sure these are the parameters, you have to put the and in the middle. It says that both of these have to be true for the statement to be true. Next, there's the or symbol, which makes it so that if I put c is greater than 50, which it's not, or c is less than 40, so then This or symbol makes it so that if either one of these statements is true, then the entire statement itself is true. Like, if any of these parameters, like either one, not both, if either one are true, then the entire statement is correct. And if I press enter, it says true. C is definitely not greater than 50, but it is less than 40. Now, if I put print not C is greater than 50, so you see, C is not greater than 50, so the output should be false, but the not statement inverses the output, meaning if it's false, the output would be true. If the output is true, it would be false. I'll show you what I mean. If I put the not statement and for C is greater than 50, it says true, but if I don't put it, uh, C is greater than 50, it would be false. So that's all for today in this video. I hope you enjoyed. Remember to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. I'll catch you in the next video, and I hope you have a great day.